Come with me if you want to live.
It's okay, Mom. He's here to help. It's okay.
The Tyrant Terminator! Yo, what's good, teacher? Back at y'all with another one. And today, we are at the Public Health Department out in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Told you guys on our live, man, we was in another state, man. Yeah, we out here in Minneapolis. And we just want to get ready to go in here and see they respect our rights out here in Minneapolis, Minnesota. To make sure our rights won't be infringed on by anyone at any time. Let's go see. She says St. Paul, but this is the 4th floor. Well, we were seeing that sign that, but maybe she didn't know. Didn't really need any. Didn't need any help like at the moment. Maybe in a few moments I'll let you know.
Okay. We're just gonna grab the stuff, but we ain't gonna do nothing until we get back from lunch.
Sir, are you recording right now?
I'm sorry?
Are you recording right now?
Yeah.
Oh, because you gotta sign the waiver.
Sign a waiver?
Yeah.
What you mean?
Like a release, to be allowed to record in here?
Really? Somebody told you that?
Yes.
Yeah, they probably was just misinformed. No one has to sign a waiver.
Or were you here for an interview or anything?
No, ma'am. No, I'm just here. Yeah, I don't need to sign a waiver though.
Well, because it's a clinic, and this is because of HIPAA violation, and this is a private area for all the other clients. So, like, if you came in as a patient, you wouldn't want nobody recording you because this is a sexual health clinic. So, it's for privacy reasons. Nobody wants to be recorded because of privacy.
Right, I understand, but there's no expectation to privacy in public at all.
Well, this is a clinic. This is not a public. You're not outside.
Yeah, this is public. This is still
This is
public.
public. This is, but you can't. It's just, yeah.
I understand that it's a
HIPAA.
clinic, but
HIPAA.
it's HIPAA, right? So you work here, right?
I do.
Right, so it's on you guys to protect their information, not me.
But they're saying
But
the information.
you get what I'm
is
saying?
So we're asking you to not record
Yeah.
to protect our
Yes.
patients and their privacy, which is a real thing. So either you can comply with that, or we would have to ask security to come get you, because at that point, it's just going to cause a disruption, and we don't want anybody to feel uncomfortable.
So no one's gonna feel uncomfortable.
People are giving their personal information. People give.
That's because you guys are hiding in the situation.
People have to give their personal information when they come up here. I
Right.
don't think that anybody wants their personal information being recorded. So I'm asking. Okay.
I'm gonna need you to leave, sir.
Thank you. So are you like the highest person here?
It doesn't matter, but I'm gonna need you to leave.
Well, I mean, it does matter if you're gonna engage me. It does matter.
Do we need to get you escorted out here?
I mean, if you gotta do what you gotta do. You know, everybody's gonna be rude, and I'm just gonna disengage and continue to do what I'm doing. Damn, my goodness. Not focus on you, man.
This is Diana on the board. Have some of our clients. Check them in.
She's on the phone saying I have someone, he's recording our staff and our patients, and we're in public. Like, that's the point that they're missing. Not willing to listen. It just doesn't make any sense, man. Just doesn't make any sense, man. And that lady right there, just, you can tell she heightened it right away. I was trying to ask her, was she like a supervisor? And she just said right away, it doesn't. I'm sorry? Yeah, I am. So I don't know, I guess they, like she said, they called security or something, man. I'm not entirely sure, man. We'll see, man. Are you like a supervisor too, sir? No? Just somebody that work here? Okay.
Did you have like a bad experience? Is that why you're recording? Or
No,
you just
ma'am.
came in recording?
Just wanted to exercise my right to record. I'm gonna file
Oh,
it.
okay. So you're doing Facebook stuff,
No, I'm just exercising rights.
social media stuff.
I wanted to file a public records request with you guys too, so.
Okay.
So she called it Facebook social media stuff. Well, these are rights that are guaranteed to us, but obviously are not interested in the rights we have today. So, you know, if they try to infringe on our rights, it's definitely going to come down on this department personally. So, we'll see. Guys, make sure you stay tuned. What's going on, man?
Hey, how's it going, man?
Just taking it easy, man.
Just got called up here for someone recording.
Yeah, this lady right here probably did. She's obviously
What's going on, man?
just coming.
I'm not trying to. Yeah, I mean, you can record, but
Yeah.
I just want to know why.
Well, I'm just like I told them, just in here exercising rights to record in public. Making, we're not going to go past any type of thing that's restricted.
Yeah.
Going to stay just in a general area
Okay.
where the public could be. And then I was going to file a public records request with them, but I'd have been set for the day. So,
Okay. You actually you're do a request. You have an
yeah.
appointment or anything?
No, I'm just going to fill it out and turn it back into one of the personnel. They'll give me a copy. I'll be set. Yeah.
Have you been a patient of our clinic?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Are you a patient of our clinic?
Oh, a patient? No, ma'am.
So then I don't know what records you're looking for, but it's probably not here.
No, they're public records, not private.
Yep. So we are a public health clinic, but
For sure.
we do not handle all records from Hennepin County.
I understand.
So you'll have to go elsewhere for that.
Now, I understand. So how it works is I'll fill out the request here, and you guys will forward it to your public information officer, and then they'll contact me when the materials are ready. I do these all over. I know exactly what I'm doing. Yeah.
So the only thing is that, well, my manager can talk, is he's recording. There's people stating their information. So we had just asked him, hey, can you not record?
Some like private stuff.
Like I said,
People are stating their information. They're giving
I'm
out
technically-
insurance.
Yeah, I'll come back.
like basically, I hear what she's saying in terms of
Just wanna get
privacy,
some stuff done.
but there's no expectation of privacy in public. I tried to explain that to him, but
Yeah, I'll talk.
yeah, I appreciate it.
But yeah, hopefully they can get you that form.
Yeah, they will. If not, I can fill it out on a blank sheet. That'll work.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll figure that out and then we'll be good, right?
Okay. Yeah, for sure. So I guess she's gonna security. That was security too. TTA fam. That wasn't the police. That was actually security coming in. But he knows. Obviously, he said that's why he's got to go back there and speak to them about it. And then we should be good to go, man. It's crazy how they just right away, man, got on that with us, man. So he's back there talking to him right now, right there. So talking to the main manager lady, she came out off the chain. So yeah. So we'll get some rest of these shots of this lobby, man. Get us, like I say, a public data's request form, and we'll be good to go. Y'all stay tuned. Well, I guess this is the number for billing questions or concerns. I think that's the number to this office. We'll confirm before we get out of here.
Maybe just step out here. I think she's just gonna explain.
Yeah, can we just step in the...
Who are you, ma'am?
My name is Erin. I'm one of the clinic managers.
Okay, one of the clinic. Are you the highest person here? Kind of, sort of, kind of.
Yeah, kind of.
Because I asked that young lady, she didn't want to identify. No, I mean it's cool. We can talk right here because I just was getting some shots of these public records.
But we have...
Yeah.
This is what you're looking for?
The public records, everything that's open to the public. That's why I'm here.
Okay.
I tried to explain that to everyone here, and they heightened the situation for no reason. So.
Okay. So you just need a few minutes and then you'll be on your way?
Yeah, ultimately, once I'm done doing the documentations that I need, I'll file a public data request form with you guys. And then, are you familiar with that?
Yeah.
Yes, and then I'll be set for the day. I usually am, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I tried to explain that in the beginning, so they called security, but it's all good.
Okay. Well, I'm going to let you do your thing, but we do have patients waiting. It is a waiting room. So
I understand.
I just think for everybody's sake, it would be good if you could get what you needed. And
I'm definitely going to. I just didn't want to be rushed into
Sure.
it, because the courts have ruled that it's time, place, and manner. As long as this place is open to the public, we can be here and exercise our rights. So that's what I'm doing at this point is rights that I'm doing. I'm exercising. I don't want them to be infringed on.
okay. And we're going to let you do that. And then
What's your name?
my name is Erin.
Aaron. Okay.
Hi.
I don't
What's your
want.
name?
My first name's James. I don't want
James.
you guys to say "let me" because I know I have a right to do it.
Sure.
I just want to, reinvent
But
that.
I have a duty to make sure my patients in the clinic are feeling comfortable.
I understand, but there's no expectation to privacy in public at all. You do know that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All
So even if they feel a certain way, it doesn't supersede the rights that I have. That's all I'm saying.
So yeah, we can try to get you what you need.
Yeah, for sure. Like I said, it's fairly small in here. Once I get all the public, you see that bulletin over there, all these things that's on the wall is public records that we can document.
Sure.
And then, like I said, we'll file a public data request form with them, and
Yeah,
we'll be set.
do that public data request form here?
Yeah, if she can get one printed off for me, we'll be great to go.
That'd be wonderful. Public data.
It looked like she was probably getting ready to contact someone via telephone or something. I don't know.
There is a
It's all good, man.
There's one, you got like a public data request.
Yeah, public data requests.
Yeah. Like Hennepin
It's different in
request.
every state. I guess that's what they call it here in Minnesota.
I got a website for you here. I mean,
Yeah, I understand that's the way that you can do it. I just like to do it in person.
You want
yeah.
the form.
Yeah, and like I said, if they don't have the form, I just put it on a blank sheet. And we'll be good to go that way.
And then we can be good to go.
Man, we'll be good, man. Yeah, it'll be all good, man. Just gonna get the rest of this and that over there, and we'll be good to go. For sure. What's your name again, sir?
I'm Dan.
Dan?
Your name?
James.
James?
Yeah,
All right.
for sure.
We'll try to get you what you need.
It's all good, man. It's all good. So yeah, man, they started talking about patients feeling a certain way. Just because they might feel a certain way doesn't mean we can't. We have to surrender our rights, though. So this is the last bulletin here. It's crazy, TTA family. And this lady is still on the phone here. We got security on the phone there. But she's dealing on her phone there. Yeah, I'm not saying anything for you to entertain me.
Okay, I'm just commenting.
Yeah, I'm commentating to my family members.
I understand.
Oh, okay.
Do what you came here to do.
There you go. There you go.
Do what you came here to do.
For sure. I'm trying to. Just the harassment is the problem. But yeah, man, this one was crazy, man. This one was definitely crazy. So, still waiting for the other lady to come out with the public data request form. We can fill that out and get a copy. And like I said, we'll be set for the day.
Know me, please. Know me.
Know me?
I'm not a public person.
Look at that right there.
I'm not a public person.
Look up there, sir.
I'm not a public person.
You see that? You see that in the corner?
Film yourself. I'm gonna film you too.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Okay.
There you go.
I'm gonna film you too.
Oh my God, man.
Wait, I'm gonna film you.
There you go. There you go, exercising your rights. See, you see that young man right there? He's exercising the same rights. I see you was on the phone. You talked to your superior?
Yeah,
Oh,
we're
okay.
just figuring. I just want to make sure everybody's on the same page.
Oh yeah, everybody's definitely is, man. Long as, like I say, long as they allow us to, not allow us, but just don't harass us and
Yeah,
to
you just-
and trying to infringe on our rights, we'll be good to go.
Yeah, we're just gonna try to get you that form. And,
Yeah.
then we'll try
She's still back there trying to print it off, right?
I think so.
Okay.
My boss is gonna call me back, so we'll just.
Okay. Your boss? Oh, okay. Okay. She's describing me to someone right now. She described my outfit. So
I saw you on social media. I know you.
huh?
I saw you on social media.
You seen me?
Yeah, on all states. You do
Oh,
like that. So
oh, okay, okay. It is what it is, man.
I know you do that. Every family area you do.
Yeah.
So you came here to us, visit us.
Yeah. It's all good, man. Yeah, she took a picture of it, so don't delete that. Yeah, because I'm finna request that as well. I'm just saying, if you delete it, it's a felony. Yes, it is. Oh, okay. Just making sure. So it's definitely, we know that it's against the law. Put it like that. It's against the law to destroy a public record. In the state of Minnesota, it might be a felony, misdemeanor, but we know it's against the law. So,
Guys, make sure you stay
You're
tuned.
not allowed to block traffic either. You can.
Yeah, I'm not never gonna block traffic. I wasn't blocking anyone's
Okay,
traffic. Yeah,
Just making sure. Thank you.
yeah, for sure. So yeah, we're still waiting on the request form, man, and it should be set, man. So I'll stay tuned.
All right, I think she's gonna let you know how we can fill out this form. It sounds like it's done online. So
Really?
yeah, I think she's gonna send you a link to your email. But yeah, we're just trying to make this as easy as possible for you.
Yeah. So that's what I was saying. That's the only thing that everybody doesn't navigate the internet. So that's why it's it's a way you can fill it out online and in person. So you get what I'm saying?
I think she's gonna send you the link though.
Yeah, there's no way to send it to me. That's the only thing.
You don't have an email.
Nah,
You don't have an email.
absolutely not. And that's my thing. So
But you just a piece of paper. You just want to write.
exactly, a blank sheet of paper should suffice. I can fill it out on a blank sheet, give it to this young lady back here. She'll give me a stamp receipt copy, and that'll be it. Literally.
All right, is that something?
Well, I don't know the purpose. So the purpose of that would be
Public records. It's a public records request.
Yes.
For public records, nothing private.
sure. I would need to talk to our
HR or someone like that.
our compliance person. 'Cause I don't know if that would be considered, like if that would be, they would use that as like your request for. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, they definitely would though. They
Yeah.
definitely would. I mean, if you want to confirm though, that's okay. I can hang around until you confirm to see. But yeah, that definitely should
I'm trying to see
suffice.
if I can print it out. I don't see any way to print it out, so I will. I'll check.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Or if you want to even contact your public information officers, he or she should know. Yeah. So it's
Hi there. I'm all right. How are you?
How you doing, sir?
How you doing, sir?
I'm Jerry. I'm the clinic manager.
Clinic manager. Okay, James. Nice to meet you.
Just check James. you
Yeah.
said?
Yes, sir.
Just checking it. I just walked up.
Okay.
I don't know what's happening.
Nothing really. It's just everybody's kind of personnel's kind of alarmed that I'm recording in public.
Why are you recording?
Just documenting the day.
What are you documenting?
This health department. I document every time I come in contact with government. Yeah.
So you can't record in here because we are a medical facility and this is violating HIPAA protection.
I'm gonna let you finish. I don't want to interrupt you. Then just allow me to speak as well.
Just patients have a right to confidentiality coming to receive services here.
Okay.
And while I respect your right to record in public spaces,
For sure.
what's not public is people's health information, even so much the fact that they are visiting here. That's not public.
Okay. No, I'm out. Okay, so how it works, I understand what you're saying, but there's like the Supreme Court has already ruled. There's no expectation to privacy in public. This is a public lobby, so even if you guys are discussing their private information, then that'll be on you guys, not on the person who has a right to exercise his rights in terms of First Amendment recording in public. So, do you get what I'm saying? Just because they feel a certain way, it doesn't supersede what I have a right to do over here.
So our public
Kind of like
space-
what you guys are doing right there. You're recording as well.
Our public space downstairs on the first floor, that is completely open. Residents can be in there
Right.
100% of the time, charge phones, keep cool.
Yeah, the entire
relax.
building is public, sir. The entire
And
building
then up
is.
here, it is public.
For sure.
For people who have appointments, that's what this area is for. So if you're receiving services, come on in.
Well, I kind of am. You can really.
You have an appointment?
He's trying to do a public data request.
There you go. I'm up here to do that as well.
Hang up is, and he doesn't have an email address to receive the link.
But not a public data request from us, right?
Yeah, I can. Yeah. So
No, is that what you need from us?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what I'm here to do as well.
Like your medical records?
No, that's private. So public and private. So we're not any private records, only
You
public
need
records.
public data records.
There you go. There you go.
Okay.
And the young lady's helping me with that now. So
She was going to reach out to somebody to see if we
Yeah.
can
we
get a
don't have
handwritten
we don't have
request.
anything on file.
yeah, like a form or something. That's what I said. I can fill it out on a blank sheet and turn it in that way, and that
You
should
don't think,
suffice.
The government center has that info? Because I've never.
They might.
The only one
I mean,
I've
they
ever
might.
seen is when it's filled out online.
Yeah, I understand. But it's like, but think about it. Think
Can you
about.
just make sure that you keep your camera turned away from patients?
I mean,
Like, that's not too much to ask.
I mean, sir, I'm gonna be honest with you, man. Whatever my eyes can see, I can record, man. That's just, think about it. You guys are doing the same
Well,
thing.
let me ask you this: if you were a patient coming in to receive sexual health care services, You might be stressed out. You might be worried about something.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is a clinic specifically for sexual.
We do sexual health.
Sexual health.
Reproductive health.
Mental health.
We do medication for opioid use disorder.
Okay.
We do refugee health. We do
Okay.
TB.
TB. Okay.
People who come here, our patients mean everything to us.
I understand. I understand fully, but my only thing is.
Have I met you before?
No, this is my first. I've never been to the state of Minnesota at
I
all.
just had deja vu.
No, maybe someone else came in and did what I did, but yeah,
So here's the thing:
not
our
me.
patients come in, and it is very sensitive topics that people are coming in for. So
I agree. So the thing is, you guys should take them to the back because you should, because that's private, right? This is public, sir. Think about it. Just say if I came in here and I didn't have a camera. I'm just saying, theoretically speaking. Okay, theoretically speaking, I didn't say I came into this waiting room with no camera.
What you couldn't do with your eyes?
What can I do?
You can't post it on social media. You can't.
Can I remember and hear their private information? That's all I want to know.
You can't ruin people's lives with your eyes. But you could post that, and somebody could be seen and lose their job, lose a partner.
I'm just asking a question. Can I still hear their private information if I didn't have this camera? Can I hear it?
It's not about hearing.
Of course it is, because that's what you guys are talking about the camera.
No, it's not about hearing it. It's about recording someone's presence here. Okay.
So, sir, don't you understand that I can get that same footage right there without this camera? I can go get that footage and get through a public records request as well and still have the same footage? Do you understand that?
So what you're saying is that it's sort of like FOIAing our things.
That's exactly right.
I wouldn't. You might be denied. I don't know.
I might be, but I can still file for it.
You can file.
Oh,
Absolutely. You
for
can
sure.
file for anything.
There you go.
But considerations will also be given.
Of course, there's a lot of exemptions. I understand about the exemptions.
It just depends on why you need it.
Yeah, I understand. I get denied all the time, when it comes to these, but I can still file them.
So you just need the form.
Just handwrite.
Man, you know how fast we can expedite this if I had the form.
How long do you want to be here recording?
To be honest with you, I'm actually done. I'm actually done. This is a fairly small lobby. I've documented all the things on the walls.
Just fill out a handwritten data request.
Yeah, and to get a stamped copy from them, I'm good to go, man.
Yeah, that sounds like that's where we're at here.
Yeah, I don't know.
The easiest way to get that form, I think, is probably online if they don't.
Yeah, that's what she said, but I'd just rather do them the old school way in person.
Yeah, I don't think we have a form like that.
And like I said, if you don't, I'll do it on a blank sheet. That should suffice.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Maybe she found the form. Oh, see, here, told you.
Okay, all right.
Got some progress.
I found
All right.
the form.
Data practice request. This is precisely what I'm saying.
wanted?
You're absolutely correct.
Okay. Do you want to take it with you, or do you want to fill it out?
Yeah, I'm definitely going to fill it out, and then I'll get a stamp receipt copy from you guys, and we'll be set.
You need a clipboard?
No, I can fill it out on one of these chairs or something. I don't need a clipboard. I'll take the pen, though, for certain. All right. For sure. So we'll fill this data practice request form. So I guess that's what they call them out here.
Bring up the actual policy to show you what you're allowed to do up here. So just we can get working on that.
Who's coming up with a policy?
Oh, my supervisor.
Oh, the security supervisor?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, you can just keep on doing that.
Yeah, for sure.
Sounds good.
All right. So I guess he said a security supervisor is coming up with some policy about what you can do up here, but we'll take a look at it, man. But y'all stay tuned. So I guess they've called reinforcements up here, man. What's going on?
How you doing?
How you doing?
I'm all right.
All right. You the supervisor?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, he said you were on your way up.
What's up?
Nothing much, man. I think we probably we should be. I think we all squared away.
That's good. Hey, just so you know, for next time, when you're in a clinic space up here, you can't be recording.
Why not?
In this area, it's what the policy says for the video and audio recording.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So you can do it in common areas and you can do it in lobbies, but since this is considered a medical clinic,
right?
People have the expectation of privacy in here, so you cannot be recording in this lobby specifically. If you were on another floor, you could, but in here you cannot because it's a medical clinic.
Okay, so how the Supreme Court has ruled that there's no expectation to privacy in public at all for anyone. That's why they're recording right above you. Same difference. Time, place, and manner as well. As long as this place is open to the public, I can be here and exercise my rights moving forward. Plus, we have a right to record public servants in the course of their duties. Yeah. Supreme Court has ruled on that as well. I can understand how someone may feel, but the way they feel doesn't supersede what I have a right to do. Yeah. Respectfully.
No, I understand. You're completely respectful. You're good. And I can't print off the policy here, but I can read it to you if you're interested.
I mean, I'm always open to
Why
what
not,
the policy
right?
say.
So, let's see where we're at. Video recording poses a risk to other individuals who have a right to privacy and safety at a HSPH facilities. Video recording is allowed in designated public spaces. Designated public spaces include lobby spaces, except for lobbies of healthcare clinics and common areas of buildings where HSPH has spaces. So this would be considered a lobby clinic. That's the policy that we're going off of.
I understand.
The Hennepin County policy. So we'll just ask you to quit recording.
I understand what you're saying. Mike, it is, right?
That's
Mike,
right.
yeah. So it's three things about a policy, real quick. Policy is not law. Policy doesn't have the force of law. And if I ignore the policy, that's not breaking the law.
Yeah.
So all I deal in is in terms of just the laws. What does the law actually say? The law actually say I can do what I'm doing. I do these all over. I know precisely what I'm doing. It's my first rodeo. I go all over the country doing exactly this. So I know exactly what I can do. It's just sometimes the personnel doesn't, for lack of a better word, they're not interested in the rights that we have today. But it's still a right that we have that's guaranteed by the Constitution. So a policy doesn't supersede that at all.
It's interesting.
Yeah, I mean, it's the truth. It's definitely true. I mean, like, but before you even came up, I had already documented everything in this lobby. So I was done with the recording part of it.
Yeah.
So I'm filing my public records request, which is the FOIA. I'm going to turn it back into them for a copy, and we'll be set for today.
Let's do it.
But I had to cut my camera back on because you engaged me.
That sounds
yeah,
good
so.
to me. Let's do that.
Sorry to interrupt, but we usually close the doors at noon, so we're gonna have people coming in. So we usually clear the lobby, so we're gonna shut the doors.
Okay, well, let's do that then.
Yeah, you shut the doors, what you mean?
Well, because it's lunchtime, so we just don't want to have more people coming in.
Oh,
So,
okay.
yeah.
So that's cool. I'm just, like I said, once I'm fill this out, I get a copy and I'll be set for today.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
We close.
Yeah.
Oh, so you guys trying to say you're going to close right
We
now?
usually clear the lobby and close so everybody can go to lunch.
Oh, okay. So what time do you guys reopen?
1 o'clock?
And the lot, and this will be back open then, right? Okay, so I just want to put this on camera so everyone's here, knowing that when you guys do reopen after lunch, I'm coming back in to finish the business I need to conduct.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll fill this back out with me. My first name's James.
James?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll fill this back out. We'll be back at 1 o'clock. They're going to shut down for lunch, but we'll be right back. Y'all stay tuned. So yeah, TTA family, man, we're going to make a point, man. Real quick, all that right there was chess, man. I'm explaining to y'all real quick. As we know, the Supreme Court has already ruled time, place, and manner, right? So at this point, if they're saying we have a lot of personnel there trying to tell us that at lunchtime they shut down and lock the doors, right? Even if that's false, that's to be seen later on. We'll FOIA all that as well, just to see if that's the truth. But by them saying that, at that point, I would be violating the part of time because it's not open to the public if they're saying that from 12 to 1. So that was a chess move. They probably hoping and wishing and praying that I would have challenged it then, and then that would have been grounds to call the police and possibly subject us to arrest. Because again, the Supreme Court has said time, place, and manner. As long as it's open to the public, we could be there. But if they're saying from 12 to 1 that it's not open, then we can't be there from 12 to 1. Is it the truth? We don't know yet, but we're definitely going to find out. But we're not going to challenge it right then. But we do have the managers on camera knowing and being told that when 1 o'clock comes back, when 1 o'clock comes in, we're going to go back up there to conduct the rest of this FOIA request. And we're going to record. The security was trying to tell me out in the hallway that if at 1 o'clock, if I do continue to record, then I'll be violating the policy and I can be subject to trespass. Well, I tried to let him know that you can't trespass me minus a crime, and recording isn't a crime. So this is interesting, but we definitely gonna hang around and make a point. It's about 12:25 right now, so we still got some little while to go, but we definitely gonna go back up there because we have to finish the business that we need to conduct. Point blank and period. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Just wanted to throw that out there to let y'all know in terms of the time, place, and manner thing. That was a chess move on their behalf. They tried to pull out the chessboard right there. It was my move. I recognized that. You got to think 3-4 moves ahead, and then we'll checkmate them at 1 o'clock. So y'all, you Minneapolis police?
Yep.
Is there a way I can have a dialogue with you about a certain situation that's going on upstairs with me right quick?
Is it something that needs 911?
Not 911, but it definitely needs police presence for certain. Now, it's not an emergency like someone's finna get killed or shot or something like that, but it definitely warrants you guys. So basically, I was just up there trying to entertain and exercise my rights to record like I'm doing right now in public. And I got some pushback, of course, about it, but ultimately they was letting me fill out my FOIA request for them. So when I got ready to fill out my FOIA request, they was telling me that at 12 o'clock they shut down for lunch.
Okay.
So I said, okay, cool. After lunch, I'll be back up here. And I just wanted to put you guys on notice to try to help de-escalate the situation because I got to go back up there.
Okay.
And I don't know what to do.
I mean, if they're so what were you filling out?
A public records request, like the data request, yeah, for public records.
For Hennepin County.
Hennepin County, yeah.
So if they're allowing you to film in there now, I mean, there's no reason you can't go back up there.
Right. They was at first they was trying to say that how we couldn't do it, and I was trying to explain to them that anything that's a publicly accessible area, we good to go.
Yep.
Can't film anything in restriction areas,
correct.
But in the lobby we're good.
Yep.
And they still gave me pushback, saying no, you can't. So,
you can film in where it's public. Like
I appreciate that. Also, your name, sir?
Barnard.
Bernard.
Yep.
Oh, I didn't want to butcher it, man. So, all right, man. Thanks, officer. Thanks for having the dialogue with me. All right, appreciate it. Thanks a lot. All right, for sure. So yeah, that was kind of a chess move on our behalf, TTA family. Want to be able to get a dialogue with the officer right there, Officer Bernard right there. So he even said it right there. No, long as you're in public accessible areas, you're good to go. We already know that. That was just a chess move that they won't be ready for. So, like I said, you got to think 3-4 moves ahead. I seen this officer coming up right here, so I just wanted to breathe on him, and he just let me know, yep, you're good to go. If you have a problem, you give us a call. So we got about 10 more minutes, and we're going to hike on up back up there, TTA family. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned.
You're going to be trespassed from the building, and then we'll go, beyond that. And I really don't feel like doing that.
Well, like I said, you just seen a video where I was just talking to Officer Bernard.
And that's fine. That's his thing. What he's telling you, he's probably, I don't know what he knows as far as our policies and stuff like that with Hennepin County. But when you were in the clinic space, and I read it to you directly from the policy,
right?
You can't be recording in there,
right? So, but he knows the law. So I was trying to tell you that the policy doesn't supersede the law. You should know that. So, but I mean, the only person that can trespass me is the police.
I'm telling you that. If
you get what I'm
go out
saying?
there and you do that, you are going to get a Hennepin County trespass from probably me. And then if you refuse to leave after that, you can be arrested.
Well, I'm definitely finna go up and exercise my right. I gotta finish the business that I'm here to conduct. I'm being honest. I mean, if you guys gonna infringe on my rights in terms of violating my rights, then it's gonna come down on you personally, sir.
I'm telling you what the policy says. And I know you say that you don't care, but
it ain't about me caring. It's just that it doesn't supersede the rights I have.
We're here for Hennepin County. We're gonna uphold the policies of Hennepin County, and that's what it says.
So you saying, okay? So what you basically said as a lieutenant, in your official capacity as a security company, whoever you work for, that if I continue trying to exercise my rights, you're going to violate them. And you're going to say that on camera. I mean, it's cool. I
wouldn't say it like that.
Oh, but I'm saying in so many words, you're trying to convert what I'm doing into a crime, which is a right.
I just know that we don't make exceptions as far as somebody breaking our policy, and that's a breach of the policy. I read it to you on the paper here.
Yeah, you've read me a policy that doesn't have any force of law.
I'm not gonna go back.
Me neither. I'm all right. I'm gonna just go do what I got to do, man. And then you do what you got to do. So we gonna do what we got to do. He do what he got to do. We'll go from there. Y'all stay tuned. Escalate this, man.
Not at all.
Yeah, you are. You definitely are.
Not be dealing with this at all.
Well, you don't need to deal with it. You trying to escalate this. You need to de-escalate this because it's going to come down on you personally, sir. Period. So, like I said, I'm going to continue to do what I'm doing. If I'm going to continuously be harassed, then it's going to just be on you.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Well, I got to do what I got to do. No, I'm not done. I still got to fill it out.
I'm gonna have you fill it out right here.
I'm gonna fill it out where I was filling it out earlier. Well, the lady already said. I told her before I left. She said, okay. That lady right there. She said she's a manager.
I'm the manager.
I'm talking about that lady behind you.
Yeah.
Not you. Her.
Yeah, you can come in and fill out the form, but we're not allowed to record in a private.
This is not private.
Yes,
it's not private. It's public.
It is.
If you have business here and receiving medical care, absolutely.
You don't. So you saying I got to receive medical care in order to have business here?
No, I'm saying you can't.
So what are you saying?
You can't record anything.
I can, just like you guys are recording. You think you have a right to do it and I don't? Do that make sense? It does not make any sense.
We're not live streaming. We're not posting our.
Not live streaming as well.
On social media.
So
for
what?
profit.
What does that mean?
It means a lot.
It does not. You still have a right
It's
to
a matter,
record,
it's
sir.
a matter of ethics. We're not sharing video of people for clicks or likes.
It does not matter. I'm going to continue to record, and ain't nobody here going to stop me from doing it. Period.
This is starting to cause a disturbance now and a disruption in the
You
services here. So
you guys are
so
causing
we
a
need to-
disturbance.
We need to take care of this.
You
really
guys
quick,
are causing
and
a
we're gonna
disturbance.
escort you out of here. Otherwise, you're just going to be trespassed from the building,
You got-
and we're going to escort you out
no,
for interrupting the county services.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I
Can
caution
we take care of it another way?
I caution you to do that.
Yeah, that's
I challenge you to do it.
That's fine, and I'm telling you what the Hennepin County policy is, and we're here to enforce that. You can't record
Policy
in the
doesn't have the
safe.
force of law.
Okay.
And if I ignore the policy, that's not breaking the law. Do you understand? Citizens follow the law, sir. Not no policy.
Okay. Well, my job is to enforce the policy here.
Well,
So.
maybe it is, but Minneapolis police, their job is to enforce the law. So if they come up here, they educate you and let you know that what he's doing is constitutionally protected.
The police have no legal training. How many years did they go to law school?
The police don't have legal training, but he does. Do that make sense?
We're enforcing a policy.
Yeah, but we're not talking about policy. We're talking about the law.
We're not talking about the law.
I'm talking about the law. We're talking about rights, sir. My right is the law, sir.
That's fine.
Okay.
You know what? Your rights cannot infringe on other people's rights.
What's that right? What's the right? What right is that?
Right to receive medical care.
So-
and you're disrupting my clinic's service.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. You guys not gonna convert my constitutionally protected right into a crime. You just ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna allow you to do it.
No, I hope.
Well, you're also recording when people are going up and giving their personal information at the time.
No, I'm not. When did I do
You're
that?
You're in the clinic here. You're recording the entire process in here.
I wanna-
That's why they prohibit it in the clinic lobbies.
So
it can be a HIPAA issue. It can be all
absolutely
those
not. You know what HIPAA is? It's for the personnel to protect medical information.
And
HIPAA doesn't apply to me,
that's what
sir.
I'm doing right now.
You don't get that, do you? Man.
It applies to me, and
Exactly.
I'm protecting it. And
How
I'm
you
talking-
protecting it, sir?
You
Y'all
cannot-
recording the people as well.
You cannot record.
You're recording people right now, right above your head.
For safety purposes.
So what does it matter? You're still recording them.
No, we'll take
Do you get what I'm saying? I can get that footage
I
right
want the
now.
followers see your logic and how
They're going to see the
and how
logic.
it falls apart.
I guarantee it don't. I guarantee, man. Trust me, I've been through this a lot. I've got
I know.
personnel fired, arrested. I'm like, we're not trying to do that today. But it'll be totally up to you guys if you want to continue with the infringement.
It sounds like a wonderful job, career.
It is. It's beautiful. I love it.
Getting people fired.
Fighting for freedom is beautiful. You should try it sometime.
I am.
No, you're not.
All right,
You're on the other
I'll have
side.
you guys step back here for a second, please. So let's do whatever we got to do.
What was that?
Do you have to turn in that paper? Or?
I'm not done with it.
Okay, we're gonna leave for the day. So
Okay.
would you please leave the building?
I'm not done conducting my business.
It doesn't matter. You're gonna be prohibited from being in the building for the rest of the day.
So
Then
you're
please leave.
saying
We're
I
gonna
can't
lock you up.
conduct the business?
Correct.
That's what you're saying.
Well, because you keep.
Now, maybe
not
you're saying
complying
that. If
with
you're
the
saying that,
staff.
it's okay. We just call the police and have them come educate you. Is that what you're saying? That I can't conduct the business that I have to conduct here?
Well,
My
because
constitutional
you
business.
you could, but since you're recording and it's a policy violation in here, we're gonna have to ask you to leave the building for the day.
Yeah, I know. So that's what I'm saying. So I'm just saying, I just need to get this on camera. That you're saying, in your official capacity, you're not going to allow me to finish conducting the business that I need to conduct, even though it's a constitutional right.
Yes, because you keep breaking the policy. So are you gonna leave or are you not going to leave?
We're going to call the police. So I'm going to wait for the cops to come.
Let's wait for them on the downstairs because we can't wait up here.
Why not? Why can't I wait up here? This is a
Because
public
you're gonna
area.
trespass from the building
For what? This is a public
for
area.
non-compliance and for breaking the policy.
This is a public area, sir. So first of all, you're trying to say I can't go in there. Now you're saying I can't even stand here? Absolutely not.
So here's the deal. You're gonna be trespassed from the building for 14 days for non-compliance. I'm gonna write everything out for you. You can get your form. We're gonna get it all taken care of, and then I'll explain all the terms to you. But we're gonna walk you down to the.
So let me ask you: Do you have a
I'm not talking anymore. Let's go.
do you have a police authority?
Let's go.
You have law enforcement authority? Because if you don't, we're going to wait for Minneapolis.
Peace officers. We can trespass people from the building here, though.
You can, okay, maybe you can, but not minus a crime. So I'm going to call the police and wait for them to
That's
come.
fine. Go ahead.
Okay, y'all stay. How you doing, officer? I don't want to call you guys.
You're James?
Yeah, yep, for sure.
Okay,
So I was just speaking to Officer Bernard. Are you familiar with him?
Bernard?
Yeah, I'll show you the video anyway.
Here, let me see.
Okay, yeah. You guys
my rights. Everything that I come in contact with government, I always document. Yeah, just because you never really need a real reason to exercise your rights. We're talking about freedom.
True.
So that's the reason why we do what we do.
Oh,
It's about education at the end of the day.
All right.
Because somebody might see this
So why
video.
are they saying that you can't record up there? Is it because of the health record?
Well, they're trying to say something about HIPAA. So HIPAA only applies to the personnel that works here and not regular citizens. My thing is, I was coming in trying to document my day to day.
Okay, so I'm guessing if you might record somebody's private information,
And that's not what I'm doing at all. I'm only the public servants that I'm coming in encounter with, not even patients.
But if they're dealing with private information and you record it, I can see their concern.
If that was the case, but it's just like me and you. There's nothing private going on right now. This conversation is public.
Yeah.
This is
That's
precisely
why
what I've been doing all day.
recording you, too.
Exactly, and this is what I've been doing all day today.
Okay.
And like I said, explaining to the officer, and he understood, and most officers do understand our rights that we have in public, but obviously the security company does not, and I'm continuously being.
Well, it's county security.
County security.
Yeah. So maybe you contact the county about their issue. This is a county building.
Right. So you're saying in terms, you guys don't have jurisdiction.
They'll call us if they need help, but well, hey, there's a supervisor.
Yeah, this dude a tyrant. I don't want to talk to him.
He's a tyrant.
Yeah, he's a tyrant.
How do you know that?
I've been dealing with this Vic all day.
Is it the mustache?
It's his whole aura.
Decent looking mustache.
Looks are deceiving, man. Looks are deceiving. This dude is a bona fide tyrant. I'm letting you know right now. But that's.
Do you have a bona fide tyrant card?
I have a
yeah, it's
business
right
card,
there.
Actually,
It's right there.
I have a business card.
It's hanging from his pocket. Yeah, see, an illegal trespass. That's my thing.
Oh, you were trespassed?
Yeah, illegally.
Trespassed for 14 days from here, so he cannot come back.
Okay, well then.
Yeah, but it's illegal. You can't trespass me because I'm exercising a right.
You'll have to contact the county attorney about what they can and cannot do. Okay?
The county attorney.
Yep, because the county is responsible for this building.
So,
give you the info to dispute
so you guys don't have jurisdiction. Minneapolis police don't have jurisdiction.
I can do something here.
Oh, you can do something on the sidewalk.
This city sidewalk,
but not this building.
This
Maybe I
building.
should have called maybe I should have called Hennepin County Sheriff's Department then.
Hey, that's what I prefer.
I should have. Okay, I didn't know that. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, Stop picking us on us city cops.
Oh,
Make it work for us.
Hey, I didn't know. So we'll just call the sheriff's department then. We'll get them out here.
I'd also call the county attorney because the county attorney would answer your legal questions.
County attorney.
The county attorney would tell them yes or no on the trespass.
Right.
They'd also say yes or no on you videotaping and
That's right.
exercising your rights. Right.
Of course. And we already know what they're going to say.
Why go through the sheriff's office? Because that's just another middleman. Go right
Not necessarily
to the boss.
because they're here to, like you guys, the sheriffs is here to enforce the law, and not policy.
The county attorney will answer what those laws are and how they interpret them.
Well, like I said, we want to be able to exhaust all remedies. So I'm gonna call the Hennepin County Sheriff's Department first. Then we'll go that route.
Right.
I didn't know Minneapolis didn't have jurisdiction. That's why it's all good.
Anything else I can
No,
do?
appreciate you for coming out.
Care.
All right, for sure. So what we'll do is we'll call the Hennepin County Sheriff's Department since Minneapolis police don't have jurisdiction. That's kind of weird, though, but it is what it is. We'll go from there. Y'all stay tuned. It's all about exhausting remedies, TTA family. Put everybody on notice to get some recourse, man, so they won't have no excuses later that we didn't try to administratively fix these problems. They just pulled up Hennepin County Sheriff. We'll see what they say. Like she's taking a picture out of the screen. Definitely finna see though.
Hi.
How you doing, deputy? Is it deputies or sheriff?
Deputy sheriff.
Deputy sheriff.
So you can switch it around and
Okay. Yeah, I'm the one who gave you guys a ring. Been here.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, I am.
Sorry.
James.
James?
Yes.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well. So what has happened today is today I came in here to this county building, the health department,
tried to do two different things. First thing I was trying to do was exercise my First Amendment right to record in public, kind of like what I'm doing now. The second thing that I needed to do was file a FOIA request. Both of those are guaranteed rights to me. I've been trying to convey that to the personnel here all day. No one's interested in our rights. We called Minneapolis police here first. They said they didn't have the jurisdiction at this building. That way I would have called you guys first, but I didn't know. So that's why you guys are here, to help me, basically rectify the situation that's going on.
So your big thing is you want to be able to do a FOIA request?
Yeah, and actually I was actually doing it. I just needed to finish and get a stamped received copy from the personnel. My day was done today.
Okay.
But they wouldn't allow me to finish.
No?
No.
What did you, so did you go up and you talked with someone behind the desk?
Yeah, so I talked with several personnel here. This guy here too, he's the security for, I guess, Hennepin County. Just no one's interested in the rights that we have at all today. And even now, I showed them a video where a law enforcement officer even concurred and agreed that we did have a First Amendment right to record in publicly accessible areas. They seen a video and still was not interested, so.
Our policy just says that you can't record when you're in a clinic lobby. And I showed it to you, I read it off to you, and you continue to record in there.
Right. Yeah, so yeah, he was talking about a policy, and I was letting them know that, policy is not law. We're talking about the law enforcement, and we're talking about our rights, what are guaranteed by the Constitution. The policy doesn't supersede that at all. And like I say, we talked to a law enforcement officer about it. He agreed as well. It's just they don't know. Maybe they think that it do, but we know that it doesn't. So, we're just trying to see, how can we, because I'm not trying to get anyone in trouble. I do this all over the country, Deputy. I know precisely what I'm doing. I got over 300 something videos of the same stuff. Some departments understand our rights, some don't. I get that. But moving forward, I just don't want my rights to be infringed on. That's the gist of what's going on today.
In your policy specifically says no recording. Is it because it's a healthcare facility? Is that the big reason why? So more of a violation for other people being in the clinic being recorded?
I could show you the thing.
Okay, yeah, if I could see it, that'd be great.
I mean, like I say, and even so, still we're talking about a right that I have in terms of recording. And so if you have a policy, that's like if it's a policy saying you can't come in with black shoes. It's not. We have a right to.
What the policy is, because I know it's a healthcare setting, and the big thing is I just want to see what the policy focuses on specifically, because people do have a right to be able to go and get healthcare without being recorded. So I just want to check the policy and see. I see where you're coming at, but I want to see on both grounds.
So we got the audio and video recording. It's in an email format right here, but when we go with the policy here, video recording poses a risk to other individuals who have a right to privacy and safety at a Hennepin public health facilities. Video recording is allowed in designated public spaces. Designated public spaces include lobby spaces, except for lobbies of healthcare clinics and common areas of buildings where HSPH has space.
And this is considered a healthcare clinic?
The fourth floor lobby is the healthcare clinic.
Okay. And were you recording up on the fourth floor?
Absolutely, because it's a publicly accessible area. So we're talking about the Supreme Court has already ruled on these things in terms of policy and law. Policy does not have the force of law. And if I ignore the policy, that's not breaking the law.
Yep.
I can understand if it was a law in place where I couldn't do these things, but it's actually a law in place and I could do it. That's my thing.
And then for your FOIA, so do you have a sheet? Can I see that?
Yeah,
Is
you
it
can see
just
it.
a request?
Yeah, it's just a request. Like I said, I was literally at the end of my day filling it out, and this guy came and infringed on it.
I can give this to you too, because it has the information on the bottom. Are you sure that you don't want it?
What is it exactly?
It's the trespass form that you received.
Yeah, it's an illegal trespass at this point.
So you don't want it, though?
No, I don't need it. It's unlawful. We have it on camera that I've been issued an unlawful trespass. That's all we would need in terms of litigation. Now we're not, and again, I'm not trying to do that, but I mean, if we got to, and that's our only recourse, then everybody that's involved, will basically be involved when it comes to litigating this in
court. And I'll just remind you too, the trespass is for 14 days from the Health Services Building here, 525 Portland, for non-compliance and reporting in the prohibited area.
Yeah, I know.
If you want to contest it, the information is on the bottom. You can send an email or by mail to the security operations, and you have to call ahead. This is the number for a security operations center. If you are found in the building without a security escort or without calling ahead or checking in with security, you can be arrested for trespassing.
Can be or will be?
Well, we'll give you a chance to leave probably. Well, I will definitely give you a chance to leave, but you could be.
So you don't understand that the trespass itself is unlawful, though?
I'm just telling you what I got for you.
I'm asking a question. Because you can't trespass someone minus a crime.
No answer.
Okay, well, see, this is exactly what I'm saying.
I'll give you this back.
For
so
sure.
You were going in. Were you getting extra information for your FOIA, or were you?
Yeah. No. Well, you've seen the stuff that I was writing down, right?
Okay, yep. No,
So,
I see it on
yeah.
there.
So I was
But
filling
for
it
you,
out.
For the FOIA process, did you call a number and you request what you were specifically asking for?
No, ma'am. We just fill it out and just like whatever materials that we need in terms of FOIA, just fill this out, turn it back into personnel. They would have stamped and gave me a copy, and that would have been it.
Okay, because the only way I've seen it done before is through the channels of someone calls, you get in contact with someone, and then they send you that information that way.
Sometimes they do it
So
that
I'm
way.
just curious about
Yeah.
the paper receipt.
Yeah, they do it that way sometimes. But after I turn this in, their public information officer would have gave me a call like, "Hey, your stuff is ready. Where can we send it to?" Yeah.
Is there any way we can turn this in on behalf of you? Get you that information? Or talk with someone?
Excuse me.
The big thing is they don't want you recording, and it is, so their trespass, it's a private building in the sense that it is a healthcare setting. And so with their ordinance and their requirement for not recording in an actual healthcare setting to protect the rights of the people who are going and receiving treatment, that's their big thing.
I understand what you're saying, Deputy, but the thing is, first of all, it's not a private building. It's public. Hennepin County, that's public. The second thing is there's no expectation to privacy in public. At all, absolutely. That's why when you walk in their office, the office that we talk about, they are actually recording.
In the lobby, like this is fine. Like in the lobby, in the public street, it's a public place.
Mm-hmm.
But their ordinance specifically, the building rules and the building expectations is that you're not recording people who are seeing medical treatment, specifically on that 4th floor medical area.
I hear what you're saying. So if that's the actual case, then why would he try to trespass me for the entire building?
Because the way your trespass works is you guys are in control of the entire building, correct? So you have to be seen by security on the first
We don't
floor.
trespass from a floor, we trespass from a building. So if you come into the 5th floor and you cause a disturbance or do something that's trespassable, you're trespassed from the whole building.
So I mean, I got it. Like I say, he got his own look on it. He's thinking about policy. I'm thinking about the law. You guys are law enforcement, so you guys not even permitted to enforce policy because you're law enforcement. And my First Amendment right is law. So no policy supersedes that.
Well, at the end of the day, he is in control of the security of the building. So if he does want to trespass you, because in their eyes and in their ordinance for the actual 4th floor recording on the 4th floor, he can trespass.
So officer, then you don't agree that we have these rights as well?
I'm not gonna,
I'm just asking.
Once again, I'm coming back to, they have a policy in place that protects people going and seeking healthcare to not be recorded by someone who is out in the public. You can record in the lobby, you can record on the street because, like you're saying, you do not have a right to your
privacy
appearance as you walk
That's
on
right.
the street. I completely get that, but as soon as you enter that healthcare and they have that policy in place to protect the people seeing the actual specialists and the healthcare that they're getting, you have to be able to respect that policy. While it may not be the law in your book and may not be written specifically,
It's not about my book.
There is an expectation to follow with policies of buildings you go into. So.
I understand, but again, by you guys being law enforcement, we're supposed to be here enforcing laws, upholding the oath that you swore to, which is part of the Constitution and our rights.
Yep, and we don't enforce.
That's it.
So when it comes to their trespass, is they do the trespass all on their own.
Mm-hmm.
We would come back as if you were to violate that trespass. Then it'd be a criminal thing for us. You're here because you called, you had a concern, and we wanted to respond to that and help you out with
and
that.
And to see if you guys can help me rectify this unlawful trespass.
And it's not an unlawful trespass because he can trespass you from the building.
No matter what?
It is their building. It is their building. So if you are a violation of their policy, which in the sense from what you're telling me, what he's telling me, 4th floor recording is a violation of their policy.
So it's a securities building, or is it Hennepin County Sheriff?
So it's not Hennepin County Sheriff's. It's Hennepin County. We work for Hennepin County,
right?
But we don't police this building. Security is in charge of all the security for these buildings.
Oh, so you don't police the building at all?
No, this is not. So Hennepin County itself works. So the sheriff's office is a part of Hennepin County. So
Okay.
This building is a part of Hennepin County, but not a part of the sheriff's office.
Not a part of the sheriff's office.
So we called because 911. You gave us a call, said us to respond. We wanted to come and see what was going on. That was our big thing.
Okay, so you okay. So you guys can't really help us rectify today.
I mean, I'm trying to help you because I know you have your FOIA. You want to do your FOIA. Is there anything I can do on my end for
I don't think so.
Okay.
I don't think you can do anything. What's that, sir?
So, obviously you got a phone. You got internet on that phone?
Nah.
No?
No, it's just a camera right now.
So when you get Wi-Fi, if you type in Hennepin County FOIA request,
Uh-huh.
there's going to be a link that says Open Government. That's the link it says.
Open government, right? It's a data request.
Yep. Open
Yeah.
Government. Click on that. Click data practice requests. How to request data.
Yeah,
That covers
data.
any Hennepin County related thing.
Right.
So you can go there and do the data request portal.
Yeah, I know.
And you can do it
But I
all
was
online.
doing it. I was already doing it before that. So
Okay.
I like to do them in person. You have a right to do it in person. To do it that way, to tell me to do it that way while I'm doing it this way is discrimination. It
I'd
is.
say it's an alternative form of way of doing it. You just got trespassed from your man, so I'm just trying to give you the.
I know. I'm just saying, but it was illegal. It was illegal to do so. We'll just follow. Like I said, we'll follow up with everybody that we have to, because it's all on camera. It's been documented that my rights been violated today. Hennepin County Sheriff, we called you guys out here to help rectify this situation and get some recourse, and to no avail. It's all good.
Do you have an idea on you that we could just get some good document who we were talking to?
Nah, you just tell them James. I called.
James?
Yeah, I gave dispatch my name, James. They got it already.
You got a last name, James?
Yeah, I'd rather just not give it though.
Okay. Is there any kind of report you actually need to make with us then? Because we need a name in order to make.
No, I mean, like you said, it would have been great to I said an unlawful trespass, but this young lady said it's no such thing. It don't exist right now, so no report is even needed if it's not unlawful. Well, I will hike over to the Hennepin County's attorney's office now and file a complaint, but other than that, we should be good to go.
Okay. Or you can call Hennepin County Security directly as well, and you can try to speak with the supervisor there if you think.
Hennepin County Security?
Yep,
Okay.
that's who just issued the
They
trespass.
do the building. So.
Oh, okay.
So if you feel like that the security officer wrongly trespassed you, you could call that security supervisor and go, hey, I was at this building, they issued me a trespass.
Right.
I disagree with it. Could you please talk to me and hear me out?
See what's going on. Or like I say, even the attorneys as well. The Hennepin County attorney itself should know about the rights we have.
And have you ever heard of a thing called HIPAA?
Yeah, but HIPAA only applies to the personnel, not a regular citizen.
It applies to the privacy of people who are in patient care.
That's correct.
So the same thing happens if you walk into the ER down the street here at the hospital.
Right.
If you're building around the general area,
Right.
the staff's going to ask you the same thing the police stop.
I understand, but
And
they can't
get
make
the
you.
First Amendment.
They can't make you do it. They can ask, but they can't force you to do
ask
it.
you, but then they can have you leave the property just like they had you do here.
Not if you're on the sidewalk. If I walk to a
When you're on
hospital,
the sidewalk, you're fine. But when you're inside the building, that's what I'm trying to make sure I explain.
I understand. How you pronounce your last name, Deputy?
Dezekin.
Dezekin? Like I say, man, I do these all over. Be perfectly honest with you, Deputy. I go all over the country doing these. I got over 300 some videos of the same stuff. Some departments understand, some don't. And when they don't understand, sometimes people end up fired. People's been fired, arrested, because you just can't violate citizens' rights and get away with it. Today, they don't understand, but later on they will, because we just got to file complaints. That's okay. That's okay. We go through it all the time. So, but I mean, you guys came out. We definitely appreciate it. We're going to hike on over to the city attorney's office. You said county, the security office as well, right?
You can call the Hennepin County Security.
Okay.
Talk to a supervisor if you feel like you want to contest it.
For sure.
Otherwise, I just kind of showed you the link on how you can do the data practice request as well online if you need to take care of it that way. Since
All right.
apparently these guys don't want you back.
Yeah, I know. Unlawfully, though. That's the only thing. It's discrimination. Think about it. What's the logic of them recording and we can't? That don't make any sense. I'm just saying. I mean, if it was about that, if it's about that, then they shouldn't even be recording in the ceiling as well. That doesn't make any sense.
Do you want me to write down the email for contesting the trespass notice, or like to get in contact with it?
No, I mean a phone number. A phone number probably would suffice, though.
I don't have one. It's just a
Well,
email.
I'm talking about to the security company, the Hennepin County Security.
I mean, they have dispatchers and stuff like that. That wouldn't be appropriate to give you that number to the dispatchers. Like, that's when there's an emergency or something going on. This is more clerical.
Well, the deputy just said that I can contact the Hennepin County Sheriff if I wanted to complain or anything.
Yeah, and you do that via email or mail.
So there's no contact information, no phone number.
Well, not one that... All the information is on the bottom. I would recommend you take this.
I'd just rather call them. I'd just rather give them a ring. It's better that way.
Well, we got email, so...
So where's you guys' station at then? We'll just go there and file a complaint.
All county buildings.
I'm talking about the security. Headquarters.
We're in all of the Hennepin County buildings.
So where's headquarters?
Headquarters probably would be considered government center.
Is it downtown Minneapolis here? Or?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, TTA family. So we decided to come over here to the government center. This is where the Hennepin County Attorney's office is. You know, we follow up. Got to follow up right away, man. Like I say, this is proof that we're trying to rectify the situation through the administrative remedies. What's up with you, bro? No, yep, I got you, bro. I got you. Give me like 2 minutes. I got you.
All right.
So yeah, we gonna see if we can go ahead and holler at the attorney's office, file a complaint, and then go from there, man. Y'all make sure I stay tuned. Let's see, it might be. How you doing, sir? Is one of you guys named Brendan?
No,
Supervisor.
Brandon is our lieutenant, yeah.
Is he here?
That's our boss. He's downstairs.
Yeah, I just needed to speak with someone. I needed to file a complaint with him.
Okay.
And they told me to me to come
You want to
contact.
call him? Yeah.
Okay, appreciate it.
We'll do that.
So contact Mr. Brendan. We'll file this complaint at this government center here, Hennepin County. Should be good to go, TTA family. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Mr. Brendan?
Yep.
Yeah, how you doing today, sir? Pretty good. Just wanted to have a quick dialogue with you and see how do we go by filing an official complaint with the
On security?
Yeah.
So I can give you a complaint form, or you can send an email to security@hennepin.us.
Wait a minute, say that one more time. The email.
So I can give you a complaint form, or you can send an email to securityinfo@hennepin.us.
You know, I'll take a hard copy. That way I can get a copy from you.
Yeah, no problem.
What's going? And then, so is this lieutenants? Are you like the highest rank in the security company?
No, I'm not the highest rank. I'm the supervisor for this campus, right?
Just for this campus.
For the government center, 625, the jail, and 701 building. So I'm the supervisor for all those buildings.
Oh, okay, cool. Because real quick, I just want to tell you what happened. I was over at the Hennepin County Health Department today on Portland Avenue.
Yep.
And I was doing what I'm doing now, exercising my right to record. And I was trying to file a FOIA, and obviously the personnel there didn't like it, so they called you guys. But my thing was I was unlawfully trespassed when I was just exercising my right to record. And that's what we need to document. We got to document that.
Okay. So you wanted to get like a freedom of information.
I actually still have it here. I was filling it out, but the security guy there.
So you want to get for Hennepin County or just for that building?
It was going to be for that health department.
Okay.
Yeah, I was filling it out.
I don't know how to do for that.
Yeah.
But I know for Hennepin County in general, you normally go to hennepin.us/data request.
Right. Yeah, I understand that. But I always do it in person, but I was doing it for the clinic.
Okay.
Yeah, and then security kind of intervened.
Okay.
So, because he actually wrote me a trespass for 14 days, only because I'm doing what I'm doing now, recording in a public space. So we got to document that. We got to put that down.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. So, yeah, we could just, I take the form sheet.
I'll get you one right back.
All right, for sure. Let's see, man. Fill this complaint out with him, man. Fill it back and get a copy of it. And should be good to go. Y'all stay tuned. Yeah, I was just sitting right there. Yep, it's all good. Okay, so I'll just fill this out real quick to you.
Then you can have them call me, or I can wait right here for you.
Yeah, it'll be real quick. I can do it real quick for you. All right. Fill this complaint out right quick. TT and family, y'all stay tuned. Yeah. All right, Lieutenant, if I can just get a copy of that, we'd be good to go. Huh?
Okay.
Yep.
I'll be right back.
All right, for sure. Yeah, TT family, y'all stay tuned, man.
Here's your copy right here.
I appreciate it.
Do you mind giving the last name? Because we get a whole lot of Jane with complaint forms.
That's why I gave you guys my phone number to contact.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
So how does it go now? Like who investigates this?
So I'm escalating this to our security, to our operations manager, and he's going to take a look at it. Yep.
Okay. What's his name?
Elijah Hanna.
Elijah Handy?
Hannah.
Elijah Hanna. Okay.
He's going to look into it.
Okay. And he'll get in contact with me. And what's you guys' last name? Like your direct phone number too?
So we don't have a direct phone number.
Really?
Yeah, we don't. I can give you my work number if you want to call my work number.
Like your desk?
I don't have a desk phone. Cause we got rid of desk phone. We all got like our own county phones.
Work. So you have like a work phone.
Yeah.
I'll take your work phone number. That'll work. Yeah. That'll work. I appreciate it.
Hennepin is that way, right? Hennepin.
Huh?
Hennepin.
It's that way.
That way, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, man. Thanks, man.
There you go.
Oh, so what's this? Area code 612?
Yep.
743 743-8973. Brandon.
Yep.
Brandon. Okay, appreciate you, Brandon. Thanks a lot, man.
Yep.
All right, for sure. Yep, you too. So from the top, GTA family, from the top, came out here to the Hennepin County, Minnesota Public Health Department out in Minneapolis. I think the address was 252 Portland Avenue. I'll have to reconfirm that, 252 Portland Avenue. I know it was on the 4th floor though. But we came out here to, do what we always do, man, exercise our rights. As soon as we got in there, man, I know this is a long, lengthy video, but y'all already know I had to follow up right away. That's what makes these videos even longer, because I like to do a follow-up right away. They could have trespassed me and I could have said, I'm going to get them later. No, I like to try to come and try to rectify the situation right away, because you want to always exhaust all your remedies and you want to do it right away, but that's why the video's so long. Anyway, this was a crazy one, man. And I could just tell that I don't think it's any, I don't know, y'all let me know in the comments, man, if it's any auditors in the state of Minnesota. It just seems like they're not interested in the rights at all. Not only the personnel that works at these public entities, but even law enforcement. Even law enforcement, they don't even seem interested. As you guys can tell, we talked to the Minneapolis police officer. He was all giggly, smiles and stuff. He wasn't, he said he didn't really have any jurisdiction, but he just didn't seem too interested in even trying to educate a person about our rights. And then the sheriffs, who actually has the jurisdiction, Hennepin County Sheriff, they showed up and they claim ain't nothing they could do. Cool. It's all good for now. We've been through this several times where our rights were violated, infringed on, and we had to do some follow-ups, file some complaints, and then y'all already know about the later on results. People have been fired, arrested, and where policies have changed. So we got to go through the motions again, all over again with Hennepin County. But that's the beautiful part about it, because it's about education at the end of the day. And the follow-ups and the revisits be beautiful, especially after they correct everything. That's why the revisits are great. And it's going to be a great one. We're just going to have to come back out here to the state of Minnesota after everything gets worked on, and corrected. We'll be back. How you doing, sir? We'll be back out here to do a revisit. Clearly coming back. So that's just that with that. But yeah, like I say, man, Minnesota, I could tell just by that first encounter right there. I could just tell, man, there's absolutely, like, they don't care about rights out here. I could just tell. Every single person, from security to the personnel at the health department, to even law enforcement, all the way around the table, right? And what's crazy is we was almost done. But then they came with the whole 12 o'clock thing, lunch. Now we let them know 1 o'clock we'll be back up. And then their whole thing was, you can come back up long as you don't record. But the whole time I was recording while I was filling it out prior to me leaving for lunchtime. So it's about pride and ego at this point. It's cool with me. It's all good. Like I say, our revisit is going to be dynamic, man, at the end of the day. So he said he's going to, the security right there said it's going to get escalated up to, I guess, their supervisors, because that lieutenant right there that just accepted our complaint he's a lieutenant, and the one who infringed on our rights today at the health department was a lieutenant. So they have the same rank. So good thing that the complaint is going over their head. And then after the complaint, we'll see what happens then. Well, they unlawfully, illegally trespassed us from that building for the next 14 days, unlawfully. But at this point, it is what it is, TTA Valley. Well, we just got to keep on, keeping on. And we definitely are. That's why we follow up right away. But I appreciate everybody rocking with TTA Family, man. I know this video's been long. This is a long one. If you stayed to the end, man, it's all good. We love you guys, man, wholeheartedly. We'll be back live this Sunday at 2 p.m. Central. Be back live. And we finna start, keep on moving around, man. Y'all put in the comments from the next state y'all want us to visit. Just wanted to come out here to Minnesota, man, but we definitely got to come back, though. So until the next time, y'all stay tuned.
That Terminator is out there. It can't be bargained with. It can't be reasoned with. It doesn't feel pity or remorse or fear, and it absolutely will not stop. Ever.